possibly one of the best fishing areas in the country, really, because we've got a hatchery and we breed salmon and sea trout. The club has rented a number of tanks, as our colleagues at Prince Albert as well, and we stock our rivers every year with smolts and with parr, and we'll be possibly collecting brute stock now within the next few weeks, ready to bring on the eggs in the hatchery, and it's absolutely fantastic. They bring their families during the school holidays, they stay here, and at the end of the season they pack up and go, and they turn around and say, well, we're looking forward to next season. And this is what brings them back, and it's very, very important to us. But also not only catching the fish, but seeing the views, the wildlife especially. And I think myself that I don't think there's very many places better than this.
Well, you study the water, see what's coming up, isn't it? If they're taking the nymph in, well, they put on nymphs in it. Is it? These are nymphs, yeah. They're called nymphs, yeah. These are buzzards and stuff.
Do you tie them yourself as well?
Yeah, I do.
How long does it take for you to tie a single fly?
Matter of minutes.
Yeah?
Yep.